Hi, I'm Jordan with Pike Nurseries, and today we're talking about how to grow your own vegetables, herbs, and fruit this spring and summer. There's nothing better than homegrown produce, and growing your own food is a great family gardening activity. Nearly all veggies, herbs, and fruits need full sun to thrive. That's 6 or more hours of direct sunlight per day. You can grow your own produce in the garden or even in large pots. The key to a successful garden is in the soil. Make sure you amend your soil with a rich, all-natural vegetable mix like the Pike vegetable and flower soil at a 50-50 ratio with the native soil. When planting, use an organic starter fertilizer like Dr. Earth Root Zone to help your plant's roots easily establish and create a strong plant. Your spring and summer produce can also be grown in containers. Simply clean the containers and use fresh organic potting soil like Pike container and potting soil. And don't forget the starter fertilizer when you plant in pots. Now let's talk about what vegetables you can add to your garden. There are many vegetables you can grow in the spring and summer. Simply just choose your favorites. Tomatoes for salads, sandwiches, and sauces, peppers from sweet bell peppers to hot peppers, cucumbers, eggplant, squash, and zucchini, peas, beans, and more. Start your veggie garden after the last frost date. In our area, that's in early April. If you plant early or we get a late frost, you'll need to cover your plants for protection. If you aren't sure what you'd like to grow, come visit our plant experts for advice. Don't forget herbs to add flavor to your homegrown veggies. Many herbs thrive in spring and summer, including basil, chives, cilantro, dill, and mint. Other herbs like rosemary, lavender, thyme, sage, and more will last year-round in our region, so you can plant them at any time. All herbs can be planted in pots by themselves or among your vegetables, except mint. Mint is a vigorous spreader, so it's best you grow it in a pot by itself. If you want to grow fruit in early spring, you can plant strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries, which will produce a bountiful harvest in the summer. Cantaloupe and watermelon should be planted in the mid-spring and will be ready for the summer as well. You may also want to grow citrus like lemons and limes, but keep in mind that these plants will not survive the winter in our region. They should be grown in pots that can be moved to the greenhouse or indoors for the winter. Check the USDA hardiness zone map to see if you can safely plant citrus in the ground in your area. And now you're ready to start growing your own edible garden. For more garden tips, subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Come visit us at any Pike Nurseries location and we'll help you with everything you need to get started.